If equipped, the hands-free active driving assist feature helps maintain vehicle position and speed. The system allows you to take your hands off the steering wheel as long as you continue to pay attention to the driving task at hand. A steering wheel-mounted camera monitors driver attentiveness. The hands-free active driving assist system requires an active subscription through the Uconnect Connected Services package. The system operates on select limited access divided highways at speeds of up to 90 miles per hour or 145 kilometers per hour when lane markings are detected and real-time map data is available. This requires a continuous, reliable cell connection to the cloud, as well as an open-sky GPS connection. An unstable connection may result in feature availability being reduced. To enable the hands-free active driving assist system while driving, push the on-off button on the right side of the steering wheel. If adaptive cruise control was active before enabling the hands-free active driving assist system, ACC will remain active with the previously set speed and distance settings. If ACC was previously disabled, it will be enabled along with the hands-free active driving assist system. Push and release the Set Plus or Set Minus button when the desired speed is reached to activate the hands-free active driving assist system. Adjust the ACC distance setting as needed. When all necessary conditions are met, the system will activate and the steering wheel image in the instrument cluster display will change from white to green. You can view system status and warnings in the ICD. There are also system indication lights around the ICD. The hands-free active driving assist system can also change lanes by using exterior sensors, along with map data, to determine if a lane change is possible. Available lanes are indicated by a dashed line. To initiate a lane change, tap or latch the turn signal lever in the desired direction. A yellow arrow appears if the requested lane change is not currently permitted. If the lane change becomes available, the arrow will turn green and the assisted lane change will begin. To cancel a lane change, tap the turn signal lever in the opposite direction or unlatch the turn signal lever. If the system determines that it is safer to complete the lane change than to cancel it, the cancel request will be ignored. Additionally, the hands-free active driving assist system will use map data to detect upcoming sharp curves and slow the vehicle down when approaching and driving through them. If the system detects driver inattentiveness, such as the driver no longer looking at the road, the steering wheel icon, as well as the glow of the ICD, will change from green to yellow until your attention is restored. If the warning escalates to red, you'll be prompted to return your attention to the road and take control of the vehicle by placing your hands on the steering wheel. If driver attention is not returned, the hands-free active driving assist system will begin a stop-in-lane maneuver, which brings the vehicle to a standstill in the current lane, and attempt to place an emergency call through the assist and SOS system. You can override this maneuver by returning attention to the road, placing your hands on the steering wheel, and pressing the gas or brake pedal. To turn the system off completely, press the hands-free active driving assist system button again. It's best to keep the system off when driving in more challenging situations like heavy traffic, construction zones, bad weather, or on poorly maintained roads. Remember, the hands-free active driving assist system does not warn or prevent collisions, steer around stopped or slower vehicles, and will not work when a trailer is connected. Always keep your eyes on the road, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, and pay attention to traffic conditions. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.